Praise God for another day, and today I'm doing a quick voiceover instead of you listen to a ton of wind. So I'm going to be cutting this tree down that you see behind me, and let's get into it. Well, I've cut about as much tree as I want to cut. Hoping it falls over. Might take a tiny bit more, but I really want to have some hinge to make this a safe fell. Let's give this feller a little convincing. Kids, don't try this at home. And that, my friends, never gets old. Just to do a quick review of the cut, I had to make this angle really steep a couple times. I had to keep working at it. Still working on improving that. I think my hinge was good. I cut, obviously, as you can see, a little angled. So if I had it a little more flat, I think the hinge would have gave way a little bit, maybe just with the wedge. But I had to cut this part of the hinge off because it was just holding too much. So once I finally got that, the tree fell. So having the wedge in place helped keep the tree moving where I wanted it to go. But the most important part is this hinge right here, where you see it splintered off. that is your control. So if I lost that, if I just kept cutting, if I got greedy and kept cutting, the tree could have fallen anywhere. And that is the tree that I did not want to hit. It might not have quite hit it, but I think at least some of the branches, some of those middle branches. And this isn't my property, so I just want to be as careful as possible.